Alam mo yung sobrang tagal mo nang iniiwasan yung dentist appointment mo kasi natatakot kang magpa-dentista. Pero one day, you just finally go and get it over with. Para tapos na, you just bit the bullet. To bite the bullet means to do something hard or unpleasant kahit na ayaw mo, pero kailangan mo na. So next time na meron kang dinedread na something, just bite the bullet para tapos na agad. Nakita mo yung bagong cellphone ng kaklase mo and that classmate said, "Bro, it cost an arm and a leg." Ibig sabihin, sobrang mahal nun, as in ubos ipon levels, ganon. You use this idiom when saying that something is crazy expensive. This concert ticket cost an arm and a leg, but it was worth it. Bakit absent si Peter? Tapos may sumagot, oh, he's feeling under the weather. Hindi tungkol sa ulan yan, it's an idiom nang ibig sabihin ay you're feeling a bit sick. Not 100% sick, pero meron kang mga symptoms, meron kang nararamdaman. Like for example, meron kang ubo, konti, or headache, ganyan. So if you need to rest, tell your boss, can I take the day off? I'm feeling under the weather.